Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an error occurred on YouTube. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now first open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Now search YouTube. Tap on YouTube. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Tap on clear data. And tap on delete. Now open your Play Store app. Update YouTube. Tap on update. After updated your YouTube app, now restart your device. Tap on restart. Once your device has restarted, open YouTube app. Now finally open your YouTube app. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.